From IBS to gut flora glory, personalized gut healing strategies for optimal health. Struggling with IBS or other gut-related discomforts? It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about thriving. In the dynamic world of gut health, personalized strategies are key to turning gut flora woes into digestive glory. This blog post is designed to guide you on a path to a happier, healthier gut tailored specifically to your needs. Understanding your gut microbiome. Your gut microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint, comprising a complex community of microorganisms. The key to unlocking gut health is understanding that there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The personal approach to combating IBS. To specifically combat irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, it's essential to map out a plan that's as individual as the condition itself. Here are strategies that can be tailored to fit your needs. 1. Identifying trigger foods. Keeping a food diary can be an invaluable tool. By noting down what you eat and how you feel afterward, you can identify and eliminate foods that worsen your symptoms. 2. The low FODMAP diet. A diet low in fermentable oligo-D monosaccharides and polyols, FODMAPs, can provide relief for many IBS sufferers. Personalize it by reintroducing foods slowly to see what you can tolerate. 3. Stress management is key. The gut-brain axis means that stress can manifest in digestive symptoms. Personalized stress reduction techniques such as yoga, meditation, or even cognitive behavioral therapy can be beneficial. Restoring gut flora balance. Rebalancing your gut flora is a cornerstone of digestive health. 4. Introduce probiotics. Incorporate a probiotic supplement or probiotic-rich foods tailored to your specific gut flora needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional for the right strains can make all the difference. 5. Don't forget prebiotics. Your good bacteria need to eat. Include personalized choices of prebiotic-rich foods like acacia fiber, chicory root, garlic, or Jerusalem artichoke to feed your beneficial microbes. A personalized nutrition plan. Tailoring your diet to your individual needs can improve your gut health. 6. Anti-inflammatory foods. An anti-inflammatory diet can include personalized options such as acacia fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, ginger, and green leafy vegetables, which contribute to reducing gut inflammation and alleviating IBS symptoms. 7. Fiber intake. Fiber is crucial for a healthy gut, but if you have IBS, the type and amount need to be tailored to your condition. Start low and go slow with fiber-rich foods, and choose soluble or insoluble fibers based on what your body handles best. Lifestyle adjustments for gut health. Minor changes in your daily routine can have a significant impact on gut health. 8. Regular exercise. Personalized exercise routines benefit gut motility and the diversity of your gut flora. Whether it's walking, swimming, or a bespoke gym session, find what works for you. 9. Adequate hydration. Water intake is fundamental for gut health. Tailor your hydration levels based on your activity level and dietary fiber intake to manage IBS symptoms effectively. 10. Quality sleep. Establishing a personalized sleep schedule can improve circadian rhythms, which in turn can aid gut health and reduce IBS flare-ups. Innovative gut healing therapies. Exploring advanced options for gut health can also be a part of your personalized strategy. 11. Fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT. FMT is a cutting-edge therapy aimed at restoring healthy microbiota in individuals with chronic gut conditions. It's essential to discuss this option with a gastroenterologist to understand its suitability for you. Peppermint oil and other supplements. Certain supplements like peppermint oil have been found to alleviate IBS symptoms. Speak with a healthcare provider to identify which supplements could be woven into your gut healing plan. If you're ready to transform your gut health and seek relief from IBS, start by incorporating these personalized strategies into your life. Share your progress, questions, and experiences with us in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to our health and wellness blog for more personalized wellness insights. Your journey to gut flora glory is personal, but you don't have to travel it alone. Remember, while lifestyle modifications can have profound effects on gut health, it's paramount to consult with your healthcare provider to develop a plan that's right for you, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Expert guidance and support. Partner with a dietitian or a nutritionist who specializes in gut health to fine-tune your diet and supplement regimen. An expert can help you decipher complex food labels, choose the right prebiotic and probiotic combinations, and provide accountability and support as you make these important lifestyle changes. continual learning, and adaptation. As you implement these strategies, keep abreast of the latest research in gut health. The field is rapidly evolving, and staying informed can help you make educated decisions about new treatments and approaches that might benefit your unique situation. Embrace the journey. Finally, embrace the journey towards better gut health as a continuous learning experience about your body. Celebrate the small victories, such as a day without IBS symptoms or the successful introduction of a new food into your diet, and stay positive through the setbacks. Whether you're taking the first step toward managing IBS or you're well on your journey to gut flora glory, personalized gut healing strategies offer a path to improved health and well-being. By focusing on the unique needs of your body, adhering to science-backed practices, and seeking professional guidance, you can develop a plan that not only manages symptoms, but also enhances your quality of life. Here's to finding your balance and flourishing in gut health. Remember to share this video with anyone who might benefit from a personalized approach to gut health. And if you have tips or success stories of your own, please contribute to the community by adding your voice to the comments section. We're here to support each other on the path to wellness, so let's continue the conversation and grow together. If you're looking for a sign to start taking control of your gut health, this is it. Subscribe now for more health and wellness tips, and embark on your journey to a happier, healthier you. Note: while this video is tailored to offer strategic advice and raise awareness about the importance of gut health, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with healthcare professionals for medical conditions and before beginning any new dietary or lifestyle regimen.